made from the castor seed. Castor oil is high in triglycerides and ricinoleic acid. These two items make it a potent medicinal oil that can be used both internally and externally. For some, having castor oil is the cure-all to their ailments. Throughout history, castor oil's most popular use has been for treating skin, digestion, and hair conditions. Check out the 7 things that castor oil can do for you, and you may decide to become a faithful user of this vegetable oil. 1. Constipation. Castor oil acts as a laxative. According to researchers, the main fatty acid in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, binds to receptors on the muscle cells of your intestinal walls. This causes those muscles to contract and push out the stool, and thus relieves constipation. Castor oil works effectively and quickly when taken during the day. Have a 15 ml dose of the oil once a day. Since it has a very strong taste, some suggested chilling it a bit before consuming, or mixing it with orange juice in order to mask the flavor. 2. Relieve dry, itchy skin. Castor oil helps in relieving dry and itchy skin. It also makes a great skin moisturizer, anti-inflammatory blemish treatment, and can delay the signs of aging, like wrinkles, since it helps increase collagen and elastin production. The ricinoleic acid found in castor oil also makes it a great natural home remedy for fighting mild acne. As it penetrates deep into the skin, it fights bacteria overgrowth that can clog pores while softening and hydrating irritated skin at the same time. 3. Add shine and growth to hair. Using castor oil can help your hair grow faster, thicker, stronger, shinier, and free of dandruff. Besides the fact that castor oil has omega-6 fatty acids to make hair shine, it goes to the root of the problem and improves circulation. Massage slightly warmed up castor oil into your hair and scalp, and it will improve the blood circulation to your follicles, which speeds up hair growth. 4. Treat fungus. Castor works well as a toenail fungus treatment. For the same reason, it helps fight acne. Castor oil can get rid of persistent fungal infections, moles, and cysts. Traditionally, the method used was to apply a small amount of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda to the infected area. When ingested, castor oil also works internally to balance gut bacteria and reduce lingering toxins, yeast, or molds that can cause fungus to develop in the first place. 5. Reduce pain in joints. Castor oil is often used a natural treatment for arthritis pain, joint swelling, and inflammation. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal massage oil that can be applied to aching joints, muscles, or tissue. Try massaging painful areas with castor oil followed by a hot water pack to increase absorption and drainage. Practicing this process twice weekly can give you the most pain-reducing results. 6. Helps balance hormones and improve libido. Enhancing the absorption of fat molecules within the digestive tract is essential for the formation of healthy hormones. That is what makes castor oil consumption a way to balance hormones naturally. Also, with less floating toxins present within and around cells, coupled with better blood flow, sex organ function works more efficiently, and people experience less fatigue, mood swings, and depression. 7. Improves immune function. Castor oil is believed to improve lymphatic drainage, blood flow, thymus gland health, and other immune system functions. Research has shown that patients who use abdominal castor oil packs have significant increases in the production of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the immune system's natural disease fighters that attack outside invaders, such as toxins, bacteria, and other perceived threats. Castor oil has some great medicinal properties. Be aware that some people may be allergic to the oil, so test it on a small area before going crazy with it. Who knew that one simple vegetable oil could be so helpful? We really hope you find this video helpful, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.